Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. If you are a millennial and are looking for realistic ideas to save money for your future, do look at these top 10 tips put together by our experts. Inculcate small saving habits. Saving a portion of your income before spending is a good start towards discipline around savings. Smart tip: follow the 50-20-30 rule. 50% of income for the living expenses, 20% for food, entertainment and travel, and 30% kept aside as savings. Track expenses. Millennials consider income as being disposable and are entrapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck loop. Gain a perspective of spending patterns, and once a pattern is identified, aim towards tracking and cutting down on unnecessary expenditure. Smart tip: use the expense tracker apps. Reduce discretionary spending. Categorize spending between essential and non-essential. Non-essential expenses can be wiped off one's income and may not leave any scope of fund being available for future use. Avoid unnecessary debts. Avoid unnecessary debts like unsecured personal loans or credit card loans. Instead, plan your requirements for debt by considering the purpose of debt, repayment planning, availability of funds for repayment, etc. Set up an emergency fund. Save for contingencies or emergencies such as medical needs. Even if the emergency fund doesn't get utilized for any emergency, it will motivate you to keep aside some portion of the available funds that may prove helpful in the future. Get familiar to mutual funds. Irrespective of your income level, aim to keep aside at least 15 to 20% of the same for mutual fund investments, as these can yield positive returns. Smart tip: choose a mutual fund as per risk appetite. Learn basic of stock market. Exploring the stock market for investment options help in allocating a certain portion of income towards investments. Stock markets keep fluctuating, therefore, some knowledge of these can help protect your investment. Go for insurance. Have a financial security net by opting for insurance such as health cover, life insurance, etc. Insurance is not meant only for the elder lot. It is equally important and beneficial for younger individuals. Make some lifestyle changes. Millennials look for several small luxuries in life. Certain lifestyle adjustments could help in amassing significant savings in a long run. Avoid paying only minimum credit card dues. Make full payments on credit card dues. It will have a positive impact on your credit report and you will have better control of your income expense. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!